Hello, thank you for joining our presentation on package specifications. I'm Ryan Hafen, and Cody Brown and I have created this lesson for you. A package specification is the public interface of your application. The public means the store functions, procedures, types, etc. are accessible from other applications. It just declares the types, variables, constants, exceptions, cursors, and subprograms that can be referenced from outside packages. In other words, it contains all the information about the content of the package, but excludes the code of the subprogram. The create package statement is used to define a new package specification. If you want to rebuild existing packages, you can use the replace keyword instead of the create keyword. Additionable objects allow you to create multiple versions of an object in order to implement change control. The accessible by clause limits access to a unit or subprogram by other units. The accessor list, also known as the whitelist, explicitly lists those units which may have access. Here on the right, you can see that we have created a basic package syntax for you. We have used the create or replace package for math package. We have declared the accessible by and declared specific functions and procedures that can access this package. The pragma serially reusable indicates the package state is needed only for the duration of one call to the server. This pragma is appropriate for packages that declare large temporary work areas that are used once and not needed during subsequent database calls in the same session. You can mark a bodiless package as serially reusable. If a package has a spec and body, you must mark both. You cannot mark only the body. You can see here on the right that we have declared the serially reusable pragma in our math package. Package level variables are public and shared global variables. They need to be serially reusable and to ensure package integrity. Non-serially reusable variables will use the last value assigned to the variable. The best practice is to declare package variables in the body, not in the specifications. On the right, we have declared a variable and given it a number data type. Types can be dynamically anchored to rows with the %row type or anchored to a column with the %type declaration. Static types depend on explicit data types, such as date, varchar2, number, etc. Package types can be structures, cursors, or collections. On the right, we have created a type, math type, as a record inside of our math package. Components in a package can be functions or procedures. They are forward-referencing stubs which define the name and signature. You can also overload, like using multiple versions of a function or utilizing different numbers and types of parameters or returns. On the right, we have created a function that it will return a number. This is our presentation on package specifications. We have reviewed the prototypes, serially reusable declarations, variables, types, and components. We hope that you have learned as much as we have about package specifications. Thank you.